Don't know what this is doing. Stick with us though, we're gonna find out.
More free spins.
Give us another one of those wheels. Come on now.
2 more games.
Alright. Give us another one of them wheels.
Come on now.
Come on, don't be stingy.
Do it.
Alright, 2 free games, but we need the wheel still.
Wheel. Do it. Oh, 2 more
Alright.
games.
Come on, wheel. Give me that wheel.
I saw it.
Come on now, you can do it, big boy.
Oh.
Well, that's a little disappointing.
That's it.
Alright, well that kind of sucks. We got the Howl. Let's see what we get here.
Ready?
Yeah, you go for it. You got this. Just one Howl. Hats on hats on hats. Let's go, baby. Well, that's some bullshit. Let's go. Come on, another hat. Oh, come on, we need at least 3. Let's go. Come on now. Hats, hats, hats. We need just 1 gold. There you go. We just need 1 gold and we can get the grand. Let's go, and then we can pay for somebody's wedding. Come on now. There we go. Stack 2 golds right there. We're in business. Alright, keep it going now. More hats. Stacks of hats. Hats on hats. Oh, keep going now. There's another gold. Alright, that's 3 golds. Keep it going. Stacks, stacks, stacks. Alright, well we got 3 golds. We're gonna get the grand on one of these bad boys.
Where's the major?
Oh yeah, the major. Let's do it. Let's see what we got now. Alright, let's puff and puff these bad boys away. Here we go, Whoopie. Be kind.
You can get a wheel too, right?
We could get a wheel. $42, better than nothing. I'll take it. It's not paying for a wedding, but it's gonna keep us spinning. Let's try again.
We got the biggest one. Now let's get 15 free games.
Come on.
Oh, I thought you were gonna pick it.
Yeah. Well, let's see what we can get here. Come on now, you can hit it. Let's get some extra spins on this.
Yes, do it.
No extra spins, but... Well, $81. Alright, we're gonna get the mini jackpot here. Wait. Yeah, go for it. Go ahead and get that mini, because that's what the luck is. Oh shit, we got the minor.